Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2. Still haven't got rain done, but cloud is looking quite ominous. So, all right, here's an H. This guy always has the display that are all hooked together here like this. An H, Super H, an M, Super M. Yep, sweet. And a 450 on front here. Says, hold my beer while I smoke a deer. And in Michigan, none of that's hard to do. There's deer everywhere. That's pretty cool. Set up there. We'll come around the other side. D19 with a cab. 1850 gasser. Nice old original tractor. I won't be too loud. Just want to show the dealer sticker. Is this your tractor? Or?
So my dad's buddy just bought it. We're gonna put this motor into a 88.
Oh, I see.
And we're putting his turbo diesel into this.
Okay. Okay. Cool. 3-speed in there. Neat. All right, 520. H. Gonna get one someday. It's a hand start. But Cub. Super H. Sweet. Must be a W4 is my guess. It's an M. Super M it says. A couple of Alice's here. This one's a fair weather tractor. VAC. WC. There you sir.
What's your channel?
Moline Dan.
Moline Dan. All right, I'm gonna look it up.
Thank you. All right, nice looking truck. Cool, unstyled. Super M. B. Wow, we didn't show those yet. We'll get to them in a second. 70 all painted up. M. Super M. An A. What time of day is it, boys?
Dinner time?
Dinner time.
There's pickled pizza over there, catch my eye.
You say pickled beets?
Pickle pizza.
Pickled pizza? Oh, okay.
4 to 6.
4 to 6, okay. 520, Super C. All right. I'm gonna catch these out real quick. Here's a 660, looks like it's been across the bridge. An 88. Seems like every other tractor here is a puller, but A. MTA. There you go, Super 44. You don't see a lot of those. Wide front end A. 47 it says. Interesting step right here. I like it. There's an R. Cool. Mega Mouth Marv it says. I can smell them funnel cakes from here. Whew. Sweet. Alright. Must be a 300 or 350. 350U it says. Huh. Fordsons. Kind of a neat emblem they have on the front there. And with a wide front. pipe on there. 60. Other H. A lot of red and green tractors around here. There's an old A. Nice looking steps. Other H. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but that's just tractors as far as you can see. Ford 801 diesel. Wow, is that a Rooster Master on there? Huh. Interesting. You're in the Fords. They're good looking. It's like an NAA, I think. This is an 8N. BN minus the bird nest. M times 2. White front end C. Super C. We saw them sell today. 88 Ollie. Tractor left us weights here. International truck with a 4x400. Sweet. I know a guy who would drive this every day to work. He's one of them guys that was born 100 years too late. B with a buzzsaw. Another A. Older case. Times 2. Interesting. I like the old iron like this. I don't know anything this old, but I don't know, it's cool, neat, awesome. M, B all painted up, and then next to a Cub, and an M. Alright, everybody likes the 2255 Oliver. This one has a 4-wheel drive with a 3150. So it must be an earlier one. I think this is Todd Bogner's. I've seen this tractor a few times. Yep. Cool. An M. There you go. H. People go on dates here. MTA with a picker. Wow, I saw a couple of these pickers the other day. That was, you know, without a tractor on them. That was kind of neat in the barn, but we won't disclose where that is. But 770 Oliver, and another MTA. C. Super M. W6 with a TA in it. Brook Amplifier stands for. I love them front tires. That's something similar that I have on my ZSI military. I don't know. These are just a nice looking tractor, I think. There's an A. Super H. Alright. So now we got a Super A. Must be a demonstrator. They painted the demonstrators white. Yep. Neat. 656 gas. Nice. Very nice. 9.9. How's it going today?
Pretty good, you?
I like the military ones. Awesome. U.S. Navy. Isn't that neat? Let's walk around this one. No PTO. Draw bar. Interesting. Very nice. Corn binder. I wonder how many people lost fingers and nose. This looks like a GP, but is it? Yeah, it is a GP. Huh. There you go. McCormick Deering 1020 all-wheel drive. Okay, let's walk around here. This is cool. Huh. Just screams awesome. That's all I got to say. Develops 10 horsepower to drawbar, it says. Wow. Isn't this neat? Things you see. So it's a 1020 with four-wheel drive. Huh. That is so cool. Isn't that neat? Huh. Awesome. Alright, older McCormick Deering. This one's a little bigger. Oh, they're hugging. Did you guys see that? They were hugging. Cracking his back. I said it was hugging. Real men hug, Jake. Nice. I'd say it's all original. Alright. We'll rock around this one. 2-bottom plow and an A. Later one must be 50, 51, 52, somewhere in that range. Not sure if that was Thunder or not. There's a G. Undercover. And we'll get on the other side of these real quick. Good looking B. And an A. Awesome. All right. MTA. Nice. 77. Must be an SC DC.
That one's the one that I have set up plow days mostly.
BN that drinks PBR. 8N. H. 50. Whew. Oh, I see a brown Jetstar. There's a couple more Molines filtering through it here. But this is actually a really nice showground when it's not wet. But W6 with a TA. M with a wide front. Oh, phone. Another BN 1750 diesel with a narrow front pole and a big old corn sheller. That is neat. A belt pulley on the back of that. You got a lot going on. Punch it, Margaret. Remember that commercial? 880 Fuller. Ooh, electric flare wagon. John Deere running gear, but cool. 150 bushel, it says. Another 77. 350 utility. Alright. Alright, F12 all painted up. Regular. 30. Orchard Standard 4. Oliver 70. Alright, brown jet. Jetstar 1. Not really painted the correct color, but interesting, to say the least. This will have a 206 motor in it as well. Tough sounding H. There, 1950 T with a 4x4. 310 Waukesha. T is for turbo. I think a lot of these were Wheatland. No 3-point. This one has 3-point on it though. Huh. Interesting. Got some big old wide tires on it. 23 134s. I'd hate to pay for a new one of those, but Super M. '66. Cool. 77. I think I remember these tractors. Another 04 ×2. Whoa. And they pull them. Super M. What? Oh. 200. That's the first one on the channel today. Let's be an F20. A C. H. M. BN. Too bad about his light bracket, but hey, that happens. Cool. GP. Yeah, I see that. Alright, 530. 88. Sweet. 77. Interesting paint job there. A Hercules power unit. That one must be an international power unit. It's starting to rain on us. Boland's. Here's an RTI. That's on my list to get sometime. Cool. Sky's looking pretty dark over there. Alice Chalmers. Bird. It says Jubilee on there. I don't see it on the front, but whatever. Cool. Oliver 70 steel, rear steel, Buddha engine. Oh, Fordson Major, and she's for sale. Oh, look at her new Lothrop hardware. That's cool. It's for sale. Very interested. Fordson Major. 77 and a 66. This must be a 77. 70 on all steel. Yeah, I got 4 or 5 rows to do yet before this weather hits. H puller. Cool. Another H. Cub, not a puller. But I'm sure there's somebody that does. 8 or an A. H. Cool. M. Original. Cool. 30. Cock shut. Another M. Another H. Another H. Here's a 300. Cool. H. Here's the Super A. Cool. All right. 50. How's it going?
How you doing, man?
Are you Jeff?
Yes.
We're about to get wet, so I'm gonna do as much as I can and then we'll stop. The General. Cleveland Tractor Company, it says. Cool. Very interesting. Card table. Alright. Hey, a 430. Awesome. Very nice. Cool. OB. I like that tread, that's neat. WC. House Chalmers Lawnmower. Is that a B10? Might be. Whatever. International. Huh.
I'm gonna listen to that.
Facility. Next week I'm gonna take you along, but I don't know if there's gonna be anything for me to film, but we'll figure out something. A couple 77s here. Yeah. This says McCormick Deering on the side there. Is it a W4 or 04? OW4. What do we got here? Downward exhaust there. 04. Yep. An A. Ooh, wide front G. An A. Like I said before, Poland is a big deal around here. Electric start on there. It looks like it's got a gear reduction starter on there. Sure does. Look at there. Huh. Interesting. B on rear steel. Need a little lawnmower tractor there. An A. 520. 77. Times 2. Ooh, Super 66 diesel. Not real easy to find, and neither is the one next to it. And the one next to that. But here's the 660 all painted up. Nice. Super 99. This one has the Oliver diesel, it says in it. That must be the Waukesha. Interesting. Awesome. 77. A Nicholas. Another 77 and an 88. 70 industrial. Alright, there's a 70 Orchard over there. This must be an Orchard sprayer right here. This is cool. Well, that's neat. Super 44. $770 Orchard. This tractor's over here, always here. It's a twin 880. We'll walk around this. It's cool. They're both gasoline engines, I assume. Yes, okay, that would make you wonder if it wasn't, but not sure on the whole story on these. But it's neat. Sure is cool. Definitely industrial. An Oliver lawnmower with an Oliver boat motor. This is a 5.5 horsey. I don't know if you can hear that thunder in the background, but she's a coming. $770. Very nice. 70. Cool. There's that 70 Orchard. Oh, she's for sale. Oh, it says call. Sexy, sexy lights. That's for sure. Here's a 60. Cool. 880, all painted black. That's kind of cool looking. I like it. 550 gas.
Black
770. 950 gas. Harder tractor to find. 77. Painted right up. 66 with a single front wheel. This one's Charlene's Machine, a 66. Another 77. $60. B. Another B. An H. A 50. 88. Super 88, isn't it? Yeah. 66. I'll paint it up. Another 88. Walking faster. H. I think we're gonna head for cover here. Cool. Stand right here. Okay, well, the rain's about done. I don't know how long a delay that was, but it's getting late in the day too, and I want to get this show you guys all these tractors. A B with a big wide C down there. Sweet. This says Massa Harris 222. I didn't think they made such a thing, but it might be modified. Interesting to say the least. Hey, a utility 35.
AKA Fat Girl.
Fat Girl. Hey, that's what it says. That's not where we meant. Here's some Fergusons. Haven't seen too many of these painted like this. I've seen the 40s, but interesting. Sears. Hold on, tractor. Yeah. There. Ooh, 1800 gas checkerboard. I don't see a 2-speed in there either. Very nice. 450 with some car spare tires on the front. Yeah, this tires are on backwards for the deadweight pull. Hey, Super A demonstrator. Neat. Some more Olivers. Quite a few Olivers around here. Backwards for the deadweight pull. Alright, Super C. WC. Yeah, and that's over there where they do the pulls. And there's all kinds of food stuff more over there, and there's all kinds of activities over there. All right, got like 7 more rows to do here. H or an M, I mean, sorry. Another Ollie. Gear reduction starter on there. Yeah, no dust today. H. Must be what their steel wheels are for, but there they are. Backside of the 1800. Cool. H. 520. Another B with a wide front. BW. Cool. Oliver. M with a V8 in it. 50. Yeah. Cool. This must be another 50. Dio. D Orchard. What's this one? AR? BR? Probably BR. Yeah, BR. H. Oh, he's got my weights on the back here. Look at there. 2010 gas. No, thank you. A B. Howdy. 50. Quite a few 50s here today. Backside of that Massey Ferguson lawn trailer. Hey, don't be getting dirty.
I'm not dirty. Look at him. He's dirty. All dirty. He's dirtier than me.
Come on. B spokes, round spokes on there. Hand start. F20. Can't take these kids anywhere. BN. Patriotic bumper on there. Ford 3000 gas. Got a security guard. Got his strobe light on. 430. 430W it says. Lots of mud on everything around here. Okay, Ford 2000. You can turn the rain off anytime.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yes. All right, a few more rows. This one's got some good yellow around it. All right, here's an LA John Deere. Yeah, another H. Hand start. I think this one's electric start. Oh, that's a hand start as well. Good looking Ford. This tractor is 70 years old. Huh. Looks good for a 70-year-old. Alright, here's an H. Cool. ZTU. I'd seen this tractor last year. Cool. An RTU. Here comes that A John Deere. Power steering, fenders, rear hydraulic pump. He's got a lot going on there. He's got a lot going on there. The other side of this R. There's BF Avery, or BF, I mean, Moline, same as the Avery R. Cool. Yeah, really neat. Oh, I was looking for the serial number and I can't remember if it's on this side or the other side. It's stamped on top. Right there. That's where the serial numbers are on these BFs. Right there. And this one is a, I think that says R4295. I don't know if there's another number in there or not, but in case you didn't know, you want to look up a serial number on one of these, that's where it's at. Okay. There's a cute little skid steer. Alright. Interesting lawnmower. Case. Awesome. Wide front G. Not sure if that's original paint or not. Huh. Cool. Here's a 70 Deere on LP. Interesting. See, notice how the steering shaft goes through the LP tank and through. Interesting. Rice and canes on the back. Cool. Alright, we got a 60 with a single front wheel, but what's on the back here? Is it kind of like an air seeder? I mean, it's, yeah, I'd say that's like an air seeder, or for fertilizer, you can put whatever on, I would think. That is cool. Never seen one of them. That's different. Cool. Here's the 60 standard. Next to a 70 standard. Cool. And BN with a cultivator on it. Awesome. Here's a D. I'd say she's original. BR. Cool. H. Cool. All right, 60 Orchard. Cool. Not something you see every day. Well, here's a case all fancied up for pulling. Interesting. Here's the other side of that 1816B case loader. That fit in the back of my pickup. Here's the wide front H. Looks nice. And the B. That place getting all muddy. Alright, a couple more H's. This must be the H tent. There's 4 of them under here. Alright. Oh, cross the mud one more time again here. Oh. Alright, 530. Alright. Yeah, that's a problem. We're getting towards the end here. Another 430. Alright. Another BN. Lots and lots of deer and IH around here. Well, here's a 730 with electric start. No pony motor on this one. I can see the starter right there. Cool. All right. Now there's a 60. 50.
Alright.
What's happening?
How you doing?
Good. Cool old Chevy truck. It says 42 on the front plate. Awesome. Neat. Real neat.
Right here.
Another VAC with a wide front. Nice looking tractor. 101. Messy. Alright. Pretty sure. Another M. There's a 40. Cool. 77 diesel on the back side. We'll get to the front side in a minute. Here's an interesting looking Z with a dual exhaust. I'm not sure how they did that. Let's see if we can look. Try to figure this out here. Huh. It's interesting. No hydraulics. It's actually, I think, yeah, the exhaust is supposed to come out right here. And they've got it back there. Yeah.
Not a bad patch.
Yeah. It's interesting. It's interesting though. I don't know if I like it or not. Leather wrap steering wheel. That's a nice touch. Okay. A Ferguson. Cool. Everything's wet around here. Buddha bug. Made out of a Rio. Do not touch the Farmall H. Okay. An A. Back side of the Z. Got a couple more lean weights on there, I see. All right. Here's the front side of that 77. Cool. All right, 44 special, standard. I like it. That's cool. Back side of that Chevy truck. Neat.
Okay. I know it's in that neighborhood, 14, 1,500 every year. Right. Depending on the year and how many people are going to sign up.
There's a B. Cool. All right, we got one more row over here to do. Oakley, Michigan. IH disc. Some wheel horse lawnmowers. Jacobson. 60. I used to have one of those. How's it going?
Going good. Yourself?
Good. Springfield field. You got enough rain around here.
Yeah.
I got stuck earlier.
Wet for no gas.
Talk about it here in just a minute then. Sounds good. I'll walk down here and I'll come back.
Yep.
All right, another B. Good looking tractor back there. What?
Nice, right?
Yeah. Here's an A. We'll talk about it in a minute. 430 case. The bucket on there. Super C. We'll look at that when we get over there. Same as this old Ford pickup. How's it going? Is it dry under there?
Yeah.
It's the only spot. All right. So this is a 10 series. How can I tell? It's the handle. See how the handle is underneath that cowl right there? The telltale sign of a 10 series. 20 series, the handle's up higher and it's part of that cowl. So there's an H. And a C. There's the sheriff. Yeah, could be. And then an M, and another H, or yeah, A, John Deere. WC, I think. An old Dodge pickup, or truck, I should say. And it's neat how this fender, they fold right out. My dad used to have a 600, a grain truck. It was a tandem grain truck with a dead tandem. But it's cool. D17 Series 4, and a D19. Cool. And here's a really nice looking Alice Chalmers G. Awesome. Okay, so we gotta go back down this row. We'll do that. Then we'll look at the Grand Bradley tractors on the way out. WD-45 ×2. Got a wide front here and a narrow front here. Very cool. A CA with a belly mower. I like it. A B. Or not the B, a 41 LA. It's a great beginning, collector's tractor, I would think. Got a whole bunch of old fresh machines here. Yeah, it's getting pretty late in the day, and there's still people here. I think the showgrounds itself is open till 10 o'clock at night. It's 6:45. There's still people doing their thing. Kind of an interesting old Ford pickup. It's a 1-ton. Got the cab off. That's different. And Super C. Wide front, nice. 350 utility. Alderman's, that's down by Lennon, Michigan. You can see that. Interesting. Ooh, nice looking M5 diesel. Wow. Well, fellas, let's talk about this pretty tractor you got here.
So
It's Mr. Alderman's.
Yeah. So Jerry's Garage, which was what Alderman's Incorporated started out as back in Lennon about 76 years ago or so.
Okay.
The first tractor line he sold was Minneapolis Moline.
I didn't know that, but okay.
He sold that until they went and got merged with other companies.
Right.
He sold this when it was brand new, this particular tractor.
Yep.
I don't remember who, but it's on the paper there. And then years later, Wade Alderman, who was the son of the original owner, he purchased it back from the family that had bought it originally. And then he went through and restored it. And unfortunately, Wade did not live long enough to see it finished. He died while it was at the paint shop.
I see.
But now the third generation is owning Alderman's, and that's Tim.
Okay.
And he owns this tractor right now, along with the 350 utility. And both these tractors were sold originally by Alderman's.
Huh.
Doesn't this have the original front tires, Dad?
Could.
They
could. Yeah. Those look like they could be originals.
They look like they've been used a lot.
Yep, I would say so. The old diamond treads. Very nice. Got the weight bracket on. That's not real easy to find.
Dad, what's the diamond tread?
That's just, I'm not exactly sure the whole story, but the side diamonds on the side.
Yep, it's called the diamond
tread. That was the thing back in the day.
Yep, the older tires were like that.
So that explains why my tractors.
Very nice. He even has both of the rate and draft control levers. That's nice.
Where are you guys out of? Carroll.
Hey, we're from Kingston. I have a Carroll address, but Kingston's hometown. Original center link. That's not broken. Wow, very nice. Well, they're going to be a pile of Molines around here next year.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
That's the feature tractor, plus it's one of the national collector groups summer show.
Awesome.
So I would expect at least 100 of them here.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
So pretty much it's going to be like the Alabama numbers here.
Yeah. Yeah.
With a bunch of these around.
Right. It's very nice. Just, I'm taking mental pictures. That's nice. Super nice looking tractor. Yeah.
That's a big tractor.
Guy did a real nice restoration on this.
Yeah, the shop did most of the mechanical work.
Yep.
Wade did not want us to do all the mechanical work, so in all honesty, there's a little bit of issues with there's a couple leaks here and there. But he really wanted to get it painted nice, and like I said, it's unfortunate he didn't live long enough to see it finished, because he would have really liked seeing it done.
Yeah. Oh, that's
awesome. Gave Curtis a bug.
Oh.
A stuffed lady bug pillow.
I see.
Still have it. I'm missing the Case IH brand.
Oh, that's cool. Well, I appreciate the story and talking about it. Yeah, make sure he brings that back next year. So.
Well, if I can convince him, I will.
Yeah, I know I'd appreciate it, and so we're quite a few hundred more Minneapolis Moline enthusiasts coming in from all over the country to hear. They come from long ways.
That'll be a nice show.
Yep.
Well, when you come back next year, barring anything crazy, we'll be in this same corner.
Okay.
We set up here every year.
Where is the feature tractors are always up there, aren't they?
They like to have them put over there.
Yep.
But no matter what the feature tractor is, we've always set up just together.
Yep. Okay. Yep, that's where I'll be. I'm gonna bring at least one. So. All right. Cool. Yeah, we're a little bit closer.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Cool. Jacobson's. Sweet. Dallas Chalmers Big 10. Old Cubby. Here's an M. Got a lot of extra stuff on there. Interesting. All right, well, let's go check out the Grand Bradley's tractors, and we'll probably head out of here. Oh, I forgot about these tractors here. Here's a Hart Par. Boy, she's wide. A 2850. Field Marshal, made in Germany. This is the one I believe they put a shotgun shell in to start it. Is it made in Germany? It's made over there somewhere. Correct me. Thought they were German. That's cool. Hart Par. Yeah, that's what I thought. That one starts with a shotgun shell. So here's an 1836. This is Australian Special. Huh. That is cool. How many of them have you seen in your life? That is neat. 1930 Toro. It's not the first Toro I've seen, but here's a Nichols and Shepherd. That's a cool looking tractor. Sounds like they're pulling over there. Must be doing a dead weight pull because I'm sure the track's too wet. Old Greyhound. Huh. That is neat. There's a Minneapolis with a cross motor in it. Huh. That is neat. Altman Taylor. Wow. Sweet. Another Altman. Man, they're big. Alright. Yeah, you can see back there, that's where all the campers are back there, and this is where they have all the poles, and there's basically a beer garden back there. There's all kinds of stuff over there to eat yet in the pavilion. And then I don't know if you can see them back there. This thing doesn't zoom, but there's tons of pulling tractors back there yet. There's at least 100 back there still. But it's getting late. But I want to show you these Graham Bradley tractors real quick because you don't see them very often, and every one of these are fixed right up. I don't know much about these other than I knew what they were from afar, but this is quite the collection, or at least, you know, quite a few of them. Man, it's got a long hood on there. What's in here for a motor? You know, all these are closed up. I can't really tell. Is it an inline something? But I tell you what, these are cool. Graham Bradley, were these sold by Sears? I know David Bradley was. Huh. But that just, wow. I love that tread. That's it. I don't know, something about it that I really like. Yeah. Wow. Just pristine, straight hoods. There's a lot of hood on here. A lot of red paint. Somebody did a really nice job on these. So look at this tread pattern. That I can say I've never seen before. Huh. That is so cool. Wow. Here. What's that? These are
like two models.
Huh.
They're all the same except for this one.
Yeah. Oh, and it's, oh, they're made in the Graham Page factory in Detroit, Michigan. Wow, until mid 1939. Wow. These are some sweet looking tractors. That's all I got to say. Huh. Oh, this one's got that tread on there too. I want to open the hood up and look, but you know, I'm not going to do that to somebody else's tractor. These are just sweet. Are these all the same model? That's what I can't differentiate. There's no decals or anything to me that tells me it's a whatever, you know. Huh. It's quite the bell housing there. Let's look at the back here. This does a PTO swing and drawbar. Nothing too fancy about the seats. Brakes are in there, I'm sure. Huh. Just neat. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these here. Huh. Interesting. Huh. All right. So this says 1939. This says Graham Bradley on here. Huh. Somebody in Ohio owns it. Just cool. Alright. Well, cool. Another couple more Hubers, and they've been chopping corn, looks like. We're gonna end up with this ZBE, which Jacob likes to drive mine around. Nice looking original. Cool. A Wonder. Cement mixer. Cool. All right. Well, this might have been a long video. If I needed to split it up, I will. But yeah, this must be a rock crusher. Yeah, it's a rock crusher. Just neat. Oh, this is cool too. Jeez. That's a Nodler. That's a burr mill. Huh. Right. Pull tight combine with an International U6, it looks like. Power unit on there. Huh. And with a wide front. A not so new New Holland. There's McCormick Dairy combine. We got duals on there. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed these videos. This is the Mid-Michigan Old Gas Tractor Association 2024 show. It's been a long day for me and the boys, but tomorrow we're heading up to Buckley, Michigan, so you'll see that video coming up here shortly. We're gonna leave early in the morning and get up there, and you know, hopefully the weather cooperates and we'll be able to show all that. So hey, appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.